Hi, I'm Mrs. Dotson, College and Career Specialist at Freedom High School. I would like to share information with you about the FAFSA, Free Application for Federal Student Aid. Who wants free money for college? Who wants up to $7,395 for college? The FAFSA is being redesigned, and so we will complete the application in January. But it's important to understand what the FAFSA can offer you. The FAFSA offers three different items: grant money, which is the free money up to $7,395 based on qualifications; student loans, which is money you borrow and pay back with interest; or work study, which is where you have a part-time job on campus. In order to complete the FAFSA application, you must be an eligible citizen: U.S. citizen, permanent resident, refugee, or asylum granted. Once again, we will complete the FAFSA application in January. Why should we complete the FAFSA? Free money. Okay, we want to see if you can qualify for that grant money. But also, colleges expect the FAFSA to be completed. That is how they will finalize the student's financial aid package. The colleges will be able to look for specific grants for that college, specific scholarships for that college, and loans will be offered through the FAFSA. If you're not an eligible citizen, there are scholarships available for you to apply to instead, such as the Dream US, Big Future Scholarship on College Board, and Immigrants Rising. So check out these scholarships if you're not an eligible student for the FAFSA. Here are more details about eligibility. The FAFSA has two parts: the FSA ID, which is the electronic signature, and the actual application. The student and parent must each create an FSA ID, and the student and parent must complete their portion of the FAFSA application. Right now, you can create the FSA ID, which, remember, is that electronic signature. I will be available December 12th for a workshop from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the Media Center. Please register so that will assist me with planning. And remember, the FSA ID must be created before completing the FAFSA. For the FSA ID, you will need a laptop and charger, Social Security number or alien registration number for the student and the parent, a phone number for the student and the parent, and an email, personal email that is, for the student and the parent. You can bring all of those items to the workshop on December 12th at 6 p.m. in the Media Center. Then in January, there will be workshops for the actual FAFSA application. You can see the items listed there that will be required for the FAFSA application. I will post information about January workshops in the near future. If you would like to create an FSA ID on your own, you are welcome to do so. Google Create an FSA ID, get started, and follow the instructions. Parents, do you have another child that has already completed the FAFSA? If so, you'll use the same FSA ID for all of your children and for yourself. If you have your own FAFSA account, you'll use the same FSA ID for your children and for yourself. If you would like assistance with the FSA ID, workshops are available December 12th, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the Media Center. Please register to assist with planning. I look forward to working with you guys with that FSA ID in December, and then for future workshops in January for the FAFSA application. Thank you.